Okay, so here we've got a polynomial that's already been factored out for us and 0 on the other side, which is great. It's nice and easy for us to work with. So what we're going to do here is take down our points of interest, which are our roots of our polynomial here, which is 0, 3, and 5. So let's go 0, 3, and 5, just like that. From here, we want to determine if these intervals on our number line that we've created are positive or negative. So how we're going to do that is we'll take a number from them. Say for this interval, we could take -1. And we're going to plug it in and see what we get. Well, if we plug in -1, this is going to be a negative number. 3 minus -1 is going to be a positive number. -1 minus 5 is going to be a negative number. So a negative times positive times a negative. That's going to give us a positive number. So we'll put a little plus here to note that. In between